Want to know why you're unable to make a public profile on Snapchat? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you or explain you why you can't make a public profile on Snapchat or factors that affect on you trying to make a public profile on Snapchat. Now there are a couple of things that you'll have to look into before trying to make a Snapchat public profile. Now you can't make a Snapchat public profile if you are less than 18 years of age, you have had Snapchat for less than 24 hours. If you have just created a new Snapchat account and you only have it for less than 24 hours, you have just created your account before 24 hours, then you won't be able to create the public profile account. If you have supposedly made your Snapchat account birth date to less than 18 years of age, then you won't be able to make an account public profile account in that case too. Or if you have less than bi-directional friend, that is you follow each other, if you have less than one friend that you follow each other on Snapchat, then you won't be able to create a public profile. And the other and last one is if you do not adhere to the community guidelines. So these are the reasons why you can't make a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.